We just listed 19 units here in Eastside Costa Mesa for $9,450,000. The property is located at 145 East 18th Street. This is a great rental street. You're just down the street from Eat Chow restaurant, Chalk Gym, and across the street on Newport Boulevard, you've got Triangle Square. And also you're just 2 blocks to 17th Street here in Eastside Costa Mesa. So we're very excited about this offering. Again, 19 units for $9,450,000. Now this ownership has taken such good care of this property. It's professionally managed. They have taken very good care of all the interiors, exteriors. They're getting great rental rates on the property. And then there's also another level that you could go in and do a higher end premium renovation to get higher rents. So let's dive in on this property. So as you kind of come into the property, you'll see that when you pull in, you've got one building which consists of primarily 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom units. As you go through towards the back of the property, you're going to see the swimming pool surrounded by 7 townhouse units that are 2 bedroom, 1.5 bath townhouse units with spiraling staircases inside. Very unique interiors, and it's been a great property on a rental perspective. The ownership has improved the asset, getting great rental rates. Tenants want to live here. They want to be close to the action and have a nice, quiet place to live. 17th Street is still booming. We're seeing more and more restaurants come in, and there's tenants that are willing to pay premium rents to be here. So let's dive in on the financials a little bit here. So at the $9,450,000 asking price, the cap rate equates to 4.05 on current rents. The ownership has professionally managed the property, also implemented RUBS, so that is embedded in that income. The upside is a 5 cap on the asking price, 4.91% cap rate with upside to market rents. As the rents continue to grow here in Eastside Costa Mesa, which they most likely will long term, you're going to see this over a 5 cap asset, which is hard to find. And also 19 units in Eastside Costa Mesa, it's hard to come by. A lot of the buildings that our team is selling are 3, 4, 5, 6 unit buildings here in Eastside. So there's a lot of demand from investors that want to get into this market but want some scale. So this is ideal for an investor that's maybe looking at doing a 1031 exchange and getting into this property, maybe selling a property that's from out in another city, another market within Orange County. And maybe they want to trade down on their unit count and go into a more premium market where they don't need as much units, need as much work, and they could still get these high rental rates and cash flow very well. All the sub panels have been upgraded. The majority of the units have been repiped. The exterior has a great modern look and has just been recently painted. All the exterior railings are up to code. The SB 721 deck and balcony inspection has been completed, and 15 out of the 19 units have been upgraded. Also, very important to mention, the entire building was re-roofed with TPO in 2019. So this property, love the location, love the size, and I also love the fact that you could potentially exchange into this property, improve your position, and get into a nice asset where you don't have to do a lot of heavy lifting. You can go in and immediately start cash flowing on the asset. So if you want to go through and tour this property, you want to walk the asset with us, you want to review the financials, let us know and we can set you up on a private showing. And last but not least, this is one of the only properties within Eastside Costa Mesa where the price per unit is under $500,000 a door. We're at $497,000 a unit on the asking price of $9,450,000, and the price per foot is $617 a foot. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to set up a call or a tour, let us know. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.